How to redeem a Roblox gift card. If you want to redeem a Roblox gift card, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then launch the Roblox website, or you can also use the app. You can also go to roblox.com and make sure that you are logged into your Roblox account. After you have done that, tap on the three lines option located at the top left, which is also the menu icon. And from there, you want to simply scroll, and there you'll find an option that says gift cards. So you simply want to go to the gift cards option that you see there. Now, normally you can actually shop for a gift card, but we are trying to redeem it. So to redeem our gift card, click on the redeem card option located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then finally, when you're on this page, which is roblox.com/redeem, this is a page where you want to simply enter your gift card, virtual item, or even a promo code right here. Once you do that, hit the redeem button right here, and depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully redeemed to your Roblox account. This way, you'll be able to redeem your Roblox gift card. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.